Now, in this class, we shall have a discussion. Electric field due to dipole on axial line. This we do expect for 5 marks. Very important. Now here I taken one dipole, minus q and plus q, separated by a distance 2a, dipole length. Now the dipole moment of this dipole we can write P is equal to q into 2a, dipole moment. Now they asked an axial line, draw the line passing through the length, center and parallel to its length. Now on the axis we take a point M. Here we are going to find a field due to a dipole. Then to find this, first we need to decide the directions, how many fields are acting on here and their directions. Now here we do expect two electric fields, one is due to positive charge, other one due to negative charge. Then positive charge field act in this direction, this is E plus radially out, and electric field due to minus Q, negative charge, that will be act inwards. So E minus. For positive charge outwards, for negative charge inwards. Okay, E minus, and E minus is electric field due to negative charge, E plus is electric field due to positive charge. So to find the magnitudes, the formula for E plus is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught positive charge by the distance from this charge to this charge. And now to find E plus equation is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by distance. Given point is M on the axis, we need to find the distance between charge plus q and M. Center to the M is R. Okay, the point M is taken on the axis at a distance R from center of the dipole. Now we need to take distance between Q and M. The Q and M, this distance will be R minus A. Then this is R minus A whole square. For E plus, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by distance between charge Q and M. This point 2, and the R minus A is positive to M, and M to negative charge. This will be R plus A. So R plus A. So this is negative charge E minus. Already we given direction, negative direction, so no need to take minus here. Clear? Positive direction is this, and this is opposite already given, no need to take minus here. Clear? Understand? Minus in the sense only the direction. In vectors, minus is the direction. Clear? So positive we do not mention any direction. For opposite direction we mention negative. Clear? So negative charge already in the figure we mentioned opposite direction, so no need to take. Now we need to find the net resultant E plus and E minus. The angle between E plus and E minus is 180. The resultant at M, net field at M is under root of E plus square E minus square plus 2 E plus E minus cos theta. Angle between them is 180. Then E is equal to under root of E plus square plus E minus square cos 180 minus 1, and this plus 2 E plus E minus cos 180. Clear? And now E is equal to under root of E plus square E minus square. Here cos 180 is minus 1, and this will be minus 2 E plus E minus. So this calculation no need to do in the examination. To understand, I am explaining clearly. So this is just like A square plus B square minus 2AB, right? And this will be under root of E plus minus E minus whole square, root cancel. E is equal to E plus minus E minus. Now substitute their equations. E plus equation and E minus equation. E plus equation already mentioned here. So E minus also. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by what is that? E plus R minus A whole square minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus A whole square. Clear? and here common q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by q is common. So q by 4 pi epsilon naught r minus a whole square minus 1 by r plus a whole square. Now take the LCM and cancel, expand, and this LCM is r square minus a square whole square. Here minus term goes, you will get plus a r plus a whole square minus r minus a whole square. Now E is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught. These two expand and simplify, you will get 4 r a by this, you will get r square minus a square whole square. Clear? And E is equal to this, we will write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 4 we can write 2 into 2a into q into r by r square minus a square whole square. 2 into 2 4, a as it is, this is r as it is, q I taken inside, and 2a into q. Already I mentioned here dipole moment p, then E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 pr by r square minus a square whole square. Now for short dipole, this is for long dipole. For short dipole, r is very much greater than a, then a approximately we neglect or we make it 0, then substitute this. E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 p r by a value 0, r square whole square, then r power 4, 1 r will be cancelled, you will get 3, and E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 p by r cube. This is the final expression. So this is the electric field due to dipole on axial line at a distance m.